Hello everyone. Today I'm going to unbox the IWO 11 Pro smartwatch. It is the upgraded version of the IWO 11 smartwatch, and it is the best GPS Apple Watch copy. Compare the IWO 11 smartwatch. The IWO 11 Pro smartwatch has similar design and similar UI, but it has upgraded the screen, strap button, and the Bluetooth connection. Okay, now let's see the box. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Firstly, we see the watch and the strap. And inside there is the wireless charger and the screen film and the menu. And also let's see the black one. Okay, so these are all those accessories. Okay, then let's see the watch and the straps. And in this side, the round button is still black color, black circle. And this one is power on button. The size is 44mm and do not have the 40mm. Then the rose gold one. The screen is 1.54 inch. There is no change as the IWO 11 smartwatch. Then let's put on the strap. The strap is 44mm and it can fit all 44mm Apple Watch straps. Okay, Then let me power on the smartwatch and see the menu. Firstly, we see the language list. Then we click English. Then let's check the clock faces. It has 8 clock faces, but it is also unable to add extra clock faces. Then let's check some quick actions. From the top to the bottom, we can see some icons that we can change directly. Then this is blood pressure. And the heart rate. And the sleep monitor and the steps. Also from the bottom to the top. Then from the left to the right or from the right to the left is to the main menu. And we can see this is one of the menu style. And it has several models and functions. Let's check one by one. Firstly, the sport mode. It has 4 sport mode. And this is the GPS symbol. And the GPS need to go to outside, so the GPS can monitor the station. And after the GPS is working, it will become green color. Then the phone book. This need to connect with the phone dialer, and the BT messaging, and call logs. Sedentary reminder, and alarm. Camera and the Bluetooth connection. And the Bluetooth music. Remote notifier, Facebook, WhatsApp. The Facebook and WhatsApp are for synchronizing the incoming messages from these apps, and the heart rate and the blood pressure. These two functions need to press this button to go to previous page. Press the screen from the left to the right is no function. Need to press this round button. And the calendar, stopwatch, and the lost alert need to connect with the phone. Calculator, find the phone, and the weather. And the app is for download the QR code to download the app, and then setting. If you want to change the time by yourself, you need to go to this place and turn off. Then you can change the date and time by yourself. Then the sound. And the alert type, you can change the alert type here. It has 4 alert type. And the notification tone, ring tone, then the volume, and the personal information, then the motion. It has wake up gesture. Then the menu change. You can change to the menu 1 here, and then the display, you can change the brightness and the screen timeout. And then the international, you can go to here to change the language list, and also unit. Then reset and the device name. The device name of the IWO 11 Pro is also Watch 6. It is same as the IWO 11 smartwatch. Then let's change to the style 2. This style is very similar to the Apple Watch Series 5, and it is very smooth. So, above our details today, if you like our video, appreciate you can subscribe our channel and like our videos. Thanks for watching.